Yes, this is getting extreme.
Jeremy, look, it's going down there. It's on TV.
Yes.
We're good.
Real good.
Yes.
We're good.
Yes. Yes.
God would be freaking out.
Tornado warning. Even though it's just severe. Tornado warning. Tornado warning.
Take you off on Dad's phone. Is the oven beef yet?
One time we got flash flood warning and it was a flash flood.
We get every warning ever. Superman here's been on the air since like Tuesday at midnight. Smell that cereal.
Guys, look. Okay, yes, there is a tornado touching down, confirmed.
It is not confirmed.
Want to check? Come out here. Look.
Look, there's New Athens. Look, we're not even in the red box.
I don't care, but Mom, look.
You don't care, but you
Look
do care.
over there.
Oh my God, that's thunderstorm clouds. Look, we're not even in the red box in New Athens. Or the yellow box.
No, man, you want me to show you the radar? Let me show you.
No. St. Clair.
Yeah.
The alerts aren't going off, but the tornado may be coming for us.
No.
The top part of the tornado warning is...
We're not in the top part either.
Don't get this right. Remember when we were jumping on the side of the mama? Alright, now you got to put in water.
Dad got one. He's got same weather service. Tornado warning.
It's not
are
us,
not
so.
going off in town.
It literally said, no, look.
Look, we're
I
not
know
in
what
the
it
box,
said, but-
though,
Tornado warning.
because
Little man,
Tornado.
it's our county.
We are not safe.
put the dog down.
Tornado. Tornado
The dog
warning.
doesn't understand. Put the dog down.
Luna, we are under. We are under. Luna,
Now
we are
she's
under
excited.
tornado warning.
Jeremy.
We're.
Little man. Right here. This
We are under tornado warning.
little man. We were up here.
Me and Dad are not going to sit here if there's a tornado coming. We
Yeah.
will go somewhere.
No. This would be where the tornado would be if there was one. Right here.
Look at your dad.
That's 20 miles south of here at least. Now, I'd be more worried about this one right here in Farmington that's forming. You see how it's starting to hook right there? Then you got the hail core. That's where it's going to be the next severe warning is, right here. This is weakening.
Is a threat for possible tornado and 60 mile an hour damaging, maybe even 70 mile an hour damaging winds out of this section of the storm where there's
Right here, Lumen. See, that's what I was showing you.
You know what I mean?
60 to 70 mile an hour winds.
This little surge right here is where they would call it like a bow echo. See,
You're
it's
always
bowing
right
out.
too.
It's bowing out. That's strong winds forcing out.
I'm just saying, you're always right.
The inflow is coming in right here, you know, which is causing the, you know.
Denmark, Palestine. What?
Those are towns that I've never even heard of.
Right?
Yeah.
Like
What
30
the?
minutes away.
They're like farther away than Belgium.
See, inflow right here. That's called an inflow
I did
notch.
track that section of the storm with the wind and the rotation, but I'm going to go up a little farther to the north because I think there's still a threat coming in towards Redwood for some storms. This line, not as impressive, but still could do some damage. And this section of the line, let's move that off to the east at about 45 miles per hour. This is some of the cities in the path of that storm. Evansville, that's Evansville, Illinois, in about 5 minutes. Marigold pretty much now. You see Sparta on the map there in about 20 minutes or so. So here's Sparta. Here's where that rotation is. So that rotation, if it holds there, would most likely stay south.
Marigold already got hit.
It's Red Mario. But that hook is getting less severe.
But a strong signature too for
Does it look like I care?
60 mile an hour.
South of us, though, babe.
The potential for some damage.
Back up in the
Does it look like I care?
No, but
TV smart mouth.
just go outside and watch the TV.
Ah.
Frank should know if we could run for cover.
Okay, what is happening in here? No! 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 Hey! 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 Don't bark at me!
Sit down.
Sit down.
No barking!
Sit down because you're getting loud and crazy.
I was about to smack her on the nose.
Enough. Lay down. Lay down.
No barking!
You hush. Sorry, quiet. Scoot over to your left.
Hey! You're missing! You're me. I can't see!
Scoot over.
I can't even.
Nothing's happening anyway. We're too far north.
I literally see freaking lightning strike.
It should be done here in about an hour, I think.
Yeah, that's true.
Can we go to Linda's house? We've already got a tornado warning.
And there's nothing going on. We don't need to go anywhere.
That's us.
See the inflow notch there, little man's getting weaker. Back up. I want to see the one down south that's going to get stronger. Oh man, remember how I said that's going to be your next severe? Huh?
Mm-hmm.
What did I tell you? Right there.
Okay, it's just Randolph. Dad, the wind's picking up. Can we go to Papa's?
We don't need to go anywhere.
Really?
Yep,
He would have said we don't even have to go anywhere. I don't care. Can we go?
Okay, we're not going anywhere. The sirens didn't go off or nothing.
Yeah, well, we already got still a tornado warning, but it doesn't say about tornado warning.
That's because,
But still, a tornado warning is possible.
little man,
We're not going to put
St.
you
Clair
in
County is
danger.
not under a tornado warning.
We're not going to
Randolph
put you in
is.
danger. It says near you.
Round 3.
Look, Randolph. Let's see if they say. See, no saying.
Round 3.
No, that's that's the rain and stuff.
No, in Springfield. Do you see that?
Oh. I told you it's gonna grumble and rumble all night. Nothing serious.
8:20. What is that? Oh my God, those are severe warnings.
Haven't had up.
Look at those warnings.
It's thunder. It's thunder and rumble all night, right, Dad? Look, it doesn't say St. Clair. See? It's the main road.
Yeah, but it says severe thunderstorm warning.
Well, it's gonna thunderstorm probably all night.
It's gonna be some.
You
Yeah.
didn't even hear it. You're sleeping.
You're on YouTube.
No, we're not putting on this.
Warner's on YouTube. See over the camera.
Little man, see the notch is
See
pretty
what?
much gone?
Lindsberg, right there. We're
It's
fine.
weakening.
Lindsberg, we just got a storm coming.
See, what did he just say? It's weakening.
The sirens go off and go to Papa.
You always say that, even though it literally
You
says like.
will.
We will.
Siren means our town.
Yeah, I know. No, I was meaning about like. Only if the alert on our phone goes off, we are going.
Because that alert could be for anywhere.
Because that alert could maybe not be doing it early. And look, you see that storm? Yeah, it could be coming.
We don't have any alerts. It's going south. I'm not sitting here. Turn this shit off.
It's on us!
I'm not arguing.
Good Lord!
Stop it. Turn this off and find like young children.
No!
Stop.
No!
And stop freaking out.
My face.
Why would you take your dirty pants and throw them all on your clean clothes? You think
Because they're not dirty.
yes, they are. If you wear them, they're dirty.
Dad. What did I tell you? It was severe.
I hear it.
shaking things.
Little man, they're gonna drop this tornado warning.
No, do you really see the... Yeah, do you really even see that? Yeah, do you see the trees? Do you see the tree things?
They're not even hardly moving.
Yeah, they are.
Did you just fart?
Yes.
You had me lean in to look at the trees while you farted?
Mom, it's getting severe in here.
I don't care. There's no sirens going off. We're fine. It's just a storm, I promise.
Where's the dog?
We're gonna have a whole bunch of these.
Jackson!
What do you mean?
Coderville!
I thought it was Mackie in Coderville.
No, Jack, okay.
Sit down.
Sit down. Get away from the window.
Hi.
Don't hit her.
I went in the window.
Quit opening the window. You're not
I'm
supposed to
trying
be
to
by the
see
lightning.
it.
They just look like this. You don't have to open. Don't put your face all up there. Now get out. It's just raining. Here, if you sit over here and eat, Jeremy. Jeremy, sit over here and eat. And you can look right out.